how to make this turn into this. Demon Machine here, and today we're going to show you how to change that tie rod end, so that way you too can have a nice, stable tire. Got a problem with your tie rod end? Well, we're going to fix it, eh? What do you think? First we got to break this nut loose, and then hope that this shaft comes unthreaded from the rest of this. So let's see how well we can get that done. I like to use my Swedish nut lathe to get them off, like that. So we got that to move, so that's a good sign. Can we get this to move? That's the better sign. Oh snap! What? This is actually going to be really easy. So yeah, this is definitely, if it does this, then you got a DIY, where are my safety glasses? Home repair. So we got this all loose. You notice I only backed off the nut a little bit here, maybe a thread or two, but now we can kind of bump it back up there, about right there. If you really want to do this without having to take it and get it aligned for sure, and you want to eyeball it really well, then try not to move this too much, so that way when you spin your new tie rod on, you can just butt it up against there and you're pretty darn close. Next up, just got to get the nut off the end. Hopefully it comes off relatively easily. Then you're going to have to bounce this out of its taper, because this is a tapered seat in here, and so you want to protect the threads. So I try to get it just tight enough that you can get it off with your fingers, because the last thing you want to do is knock it out of the taper and then have this be stuck to the shaft, and you're just going to be in a mess. What? You can also mark this with a pen to help you keep in mind where it is. Other option is back off this and then mark it with a pen. Marker of some sort, nail polish, whiteout. I mean, you can see how bad that thing is. To our new one. Of course, take your new tie rod, compare it to your old, make sure they go the same way, look roughly the same, etc., etc. You look good, so put it on there. There we go. Take off the protective plastic that protects the rubber. Ugh. And then merely insert and clean off some of the crap there. And you just have to get this up, which there is a bit, it's a Torx bit here that you can put in there to hold the shaft while you turn this up. So this is still a 19, isn't it? Yep. Or sometimes it'll just be, the ball will be tight enough that you can just wham it up in there. And now, oh, well, this is loose. But if that weren't loose, we'll demonstrate again. Anyway, of course, tighten it up to your manufacturer's specifications. And what we're gonna do now? Crap, I forgot. Oh, we're gonna put the wheel back on. That's pretty much it. Then we gotta get it over the alignment rack.